So replacing my rear ABS sensors, and these are attached with a little hex bolt, star screw or bolt, but I replaced them with some metric flange bolts from Home Depot. The 2-inch fits the front fine, so I'm ready to see if it's going to fit the back also, but I got some longer ones here. They're metric and they're more easier to get out. It's M6-1 0.0x 20mm, the one that fits the front sensors. I replaced the small ones, but my sensors came from eBay, very cheap. They you can buy these as a set. I think $35 for the set, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this is the driver's side rear, but both sensors they fit, it doesn't matter. But after getting that hex screw off there with a star, takes the star bit, number 30, T30 I believe, but these things strip out. Just that one bolt holding it on, you can just wiggle it out here. Thing out of there. I really can't see, I'm gonna have to feel for it. I don't know how far the connector goes back. I think I see it now. It's about, I can feel it with my hand. The connector's right where my hand is, but the camera's not gonna pick it up, I don't think. But that's certainly where it is. Right behind the shock, tip of the shock, right up there. Just gonna disconnect that, pull these out, pull this out, and then maybe another one at the top there. I believe so, yeah. This one pulls back. I'm not sure what this one does over here, probably the same thing. Good, I was able to pop the old one out. It wasn't hard to do. This piece is behind the panel, splash guard, and a flathead screwdriver get it right out. I don't know why some of that goo got with my rag. It looks pretty clean to me. Take the back of my glove. So I'll take it, bring it down. And slide it into place. Like it's a magnet on it. This thing is magnetized. It was sticking to my shaft. So I can get it down in there real good. It shows nice and flush. Looks good. And put my Home Depot bolt in there. And tighten them down. Good enough. Nice and tight. But the hole that comes with the plugs already on there, so you can take the old ones out. Just gonna pull the old ones out and plug them back up. Okay, I've got everything snapped in place here. 1, 2, and there's 2 more at the top, but you can't see, so. And I got it reconnected, but that was all it was to putting that sensor on. And I don't need to show the other side, they're both the same process. For the right side, so you just slide back in the slots here.